Once you have reviewed the results and you're happy with everything, click on Export and you can see the range of options available. The first one's the read-only link. This is really good for sharing to people on site so they can receive the design and the results. It is view only, so they can't make any changes, but they can come in to the results and turn on what they want to see. So for example, they might want to look at the pipe and see what the pipe diameter is and what the height is above the floor. So it can really help them on site during the installation phase. And just to show here, if they did try to move something, it's not going to let them. Another option is the PDF export. So whatever results you have on in the result space will show. Then you can choose the paper size, choose the scale that fits, and then choose the detail level that you'd like to see. You can go really large, which is usually too big, and down to the lower end. The results get pretty small, but it fits more on. So up to you what you want to do there. You can choose to include the cover sheet. You can turn off the floor plans if you want it to look more like a schematic. And you can turn off the yellow overrides, such as at the heat pump in the cylinder. Then when you do the export, it comes on a nice title block. You can see the design layout with your company name, the project name, and scale and other relevant information. The other exports are a bill of materials on a level by level basis of different pipe sizes, pipe lengths, fittings, equipment, everything that's in h2x. You can do a design report with the spreadsheet and Word document, and it also downloads an AutoCAD file.